I felt like I am the most beautiful girl. I was wrong, of course. There were so much more beautiful girls, but I thought that this makeup is going to make me the most beautiful one. Back in those days when I went to college, this was my everyday makeup routine. And I was very serious about having long lashes, like long lashes were my thing. And since I had limited time to get ready in the morning, I would actually apply my false lashes the night before, so I could wake up with them already on. And today I am recreating the same college makeup routine. It's nothing fancy, but it's something that got me through those early classes. So let's just imagine this is the night before class and I'm just going to apply my false lashes. Exactly how I used to do it so I could wake up with them on. Now fast forward to the next morning, I'd wake up with my lashes still on, feeling very proud of my nighttime dedication. I would wash my face very carefully, like avoiding the lash area, because if one corner was lifted, the whole lashes would be ruined. Okay, after washing my face, I didn't do anything special. I just applied a thin layer of moisturizer and it helped me a lot. It actually helped my skin to look better. I think I look oily. Then I go with my colored sunscreen. Actually, this is not the sunscreen that I used to use, but this is something like that. And you know what I did? It was really simple. I only applied it all over my face and I didn't use any kind of sponge or brush. I only applied it with my finger and I also blended with my finger. Because it was fast and it warmed up the product. And honestly, it worked for me. You know, I didn't believe in contouring or applying concealer. The only thing that I believed was applying false lashes and having long lashes, because I believe that long lashes make you beautiful enough that you don't have to do anything else. After blending my colored sunscreen with my fingers, I have to wash them just exactly like the way I did at those times, because I need my hands clean. So let's go. Here I am again with clean hands. After that, I'd move onto my brows and I only filled them with a pencil and nothing else. And you know, at that time, fluffy brows and lifted brows was not trending, so I actually didn't know that it even existed. You know, the next thing that made me feel happy after my false lashes were my brows, and I think I had so much confidence in my appearance back then. And my brows were definitely a big part of it. If I could turn back time, I would never apply pencils because I know that it's harmful to the brows. For the eyes, since the lashes mattered a lot to me, I was already pretty fulfilled just having them on. So I kept everything super simple and I just simply completed the look with a winged eyeliner. But I didn't do a full line across my lid. I would only extend the wing at the outer corner and a tiny point at the inner corner. But you see, there's a distance between the false lashes and the inner corner, and I would feel that. So this is the kind of eyeliner I used at that time. And after applying that eyeliner, I felt my eyes were so much beautiful and, you know, it felt great. Everyone used to make fun of me and then they said, "You're going to fly with your lashes." You know, this actually gave me the elongated shape I wanted so badly. And honestly, with the lashes doing everything, this was enough for me. And you see, I applied only a little bit of mascara on my lower lashes and a little bit on my upper two, and it felt great. You know, I didn't have to spend a lot of time for applying mascara and it was great. That's all. This is exactly the brush that I used for that time. You know, I didn't do anything specifically for my blush and I didn't do any contouring. If I could turn back to college days, I would definitely change my makeup routine. And for lipstick, in the first days, I was shy to wear it. I don't know why, but I didn't think that it made any difference in my face. But then one day I finally tried it and instantly I realized how much more attractive I am with it. From that moment on, those bold crayon style lipstick became a must in my makeup routine. I wanted to shape my lips. You see, I always use this kind of colors, these bold, sharp colors. And after that, I felt like a goddess. I don't know why I felt that I am so much attractive and so much beautiful. I don't know, it's just a feeling. And as for the eyeshadow, I have to say that at that time, I genuinely believed that it only belonged to the wedding ceremonies and nowhere else. Like, if you weren't a bride or bridesmaid, why would you wear 4 shades of eyeshadow at 8 a.m.? And plus, I was already being judged by the false lashes themselves, and I absolutely couldn't go through the eyeshadow drama on top of that. I was like, one controversy at a time, please. This is the final look I used to wear back at those college days. I have to admit that I missed this look, but this was not my hairstyle, but just take it easy, I'm not going to recreate everything. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you soon in the next video. If you like this little throwback, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!